We're getting some new information about the timeline for a COVID vaccine for younger kids. The state's vaccine coordinator says it's looking more like early November instead of the end of October. The vaccine team's Henry Graff live at VDH headquarters in downtown Richmond with details for us. Fill us in, Henry.
Kirk, good evening. Yeah, the state's also hoping contractors paid with federal dollars will help get shots in arms when the time comes. And tonight, a message from the First Lady of Virginia, both a mother and an educator.
I've known because we've worked so closely with our local school systems.
Addressing a slew of state cabinet secretaries, Virginia's vaccine coordinator said early November is now when we can expect approval of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for those aged 5 to 11.
So that'll be a big benefit for parents, a big boost to keeping kids in schools.
When approval comes, about 723,000 children in Virginia will become eligible for a Pfizer vaccine. Dr. Danny Avula says the strategy is to rely on contractors to go into schools and offer COVID-19 vaccines.
In the context of the Delta variant, everybody who's got kids in school has recognized how challenging this has been, and we've had to work through exposures and quarantines and really trying to minimize the impact on kids who are trying to stay in school.
Richmond Public Schools will offer after-school and weekend vaccine clinics to help out.
We have an opportunity to plan between now and early November, when these vaccines likely will be approved, to start planning that in a way that really optimizes parents and families' access to vaccines.
But parents can also take their child to a pharmacy or their doctor for the vaccine.
We just want them to be safe and continue growing.
First Lady Pam Northam also at the meeting with her own message. Put kids first.
So if we're going to keep our kids in school, if we're going to do the very best we can, we knew that masks and vaccines are two great weapons we have against this terrible disease.
Back out here live, Avula also says Moderna data on a potential booster should be coming out soon. He believes that booster for the Moderna vaccine should be approved by the end of October. Avula also saying the state now ramping up those larger vaccine clinics. We'll start seeing them open here in the coming days and into next week. We are live and on your side tonight here at the State Health Department. I'm Henry Graff, NBC 12 News.